Hello, here is Jack from GoJam. In this video, I will introduce you the XCMG RP803 Asphalt Paver, a powerful, reliable machine designed for a wide range of road construction projects. Okay, let's begin with the overall appearance. This machine has a compact and well-balanced structure. It measures about 6.7 meters in length and 2.5 meters in width. Equipped with a spacious cab and a multifunctional workbench, the operation efficiency is even higher. At the heart of this machine is the Cummins engine, delivering 142 kilowatts of rated power, ensuring strong and consistent output even on the heavy powering conditions. It complies with Stage 3 emission standard, offering both energy saving and reduced emissions. It can achieve a max powering capital of 800 tons per hour and a max powering speed of 20 meters per minute, also a travel speed up to 3 kilometers per hour. At the front of the machine, a large capital hopper ensures a smooth material reception. The dual scalpel conveyors deliver asphalt steadily with the speed up to 27 meters per minute and upper material level centimeters the material height in real time. Now we come to the core component, the hydraulic extending skirt. The standard E500A 4-spoke provides the basic powering width of 2.5 to 5 meters. Operation extensions provide maximum 6.5 meters or 8 meters. Electric heating for fast and uniform temperature rise. This machine is also equipped with advanced automatic leveling systems. In summary, the XCMG RP803 combines strong power, intelligent control. It delivers high quality and high efficient powering results.